Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to create an email and SMS pop-up form inside of Klaviyo that you can link to your Shopify store. Now, if you're already asking for people's emails, but you're not asking for their phone numbers to send out text messages, then this video is most definitely for you. SMS marketing, in addition to email marketing, is changing the game. So if you're only sending emails and you're not sending text messages, you're literally missing out on so much money. And so many big businesses are sending out text messages, so you need to make sure your business is not falling behind. Okay, let's jump into my computer and build this pop-up form from scratch. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is click try text messaging, and then after that, you're gonna see this page for your country. Make sure you select the United States and then click next. Here you're going to fill out all of your company information. I've blotted it out so you can't see personal info, but fill yours out and then click next. After that, here you're going to type in your company name and what you want to pop up on the text messages. So I'm going to do Lygia's Candle Collection. Then I'm going to click next. Now we're going to skip this part because I'm going to show you how to do this step by step in a later video. So just click done. You're going to see now that your phone number is verifying. So it takes 2 to 5 business days for you to have your phone number verified. So in the meantime, what we're going to do next is set up the disclosures. So I'm going to click set up disclosures, and here you can read about Klaviyo's different related laws and the privacy policy, disclosure language. Then you're going to click next, and you're going to fill out your company name and your company email, and then select promotional. Here you're just going to paste your privacy policy link and then click next. And then after that, Klaviyo is just giving you some updated information. You can click the I understand the importance of updating my privacy policy and then continue moving forward. So we're going to hit next. And then here, I would suggest having Klaviyo generate one for you. And then you can just click next. That's what I always do. And this page is basically where Klaviyo is telling you that you can either add it to your website or have them host it for you. Then just acknowledge that they're not providing you with legal advice and click next. Okay, now this is the SMS form, but we're going to do this in a second. So just click done. And here you're going to see grow your audience. So now this is where we're going to get started with creating a form. So you're going to click create, and then you're going to select either an existing form, the list that you want your SMS subscribers to go on, or you can just create a new SMS form from scratch, which is what we're going to do now. So I'm going to click this button, and this is where we're going to start all from scratch. So we're going to make sure that the email list is the newsletter, the SMS list is SMS subscribers. These are both correct, so I'm going to click next. Now you can decide whether or not you want it to be a pop-up, full page, flyout, or embedded. I always like the pop-ups, so we're going to do next. A teaser or not. So a teaser is like that little thing down at the bottom that they're showing you here, where if somebody exits out of the pop-up, they can still see it. Now on this page, you're going to see a unique coupon, static coupon, or don't offer a coupon. You can select which one you prefer, but I prefer to do don't offer a coupon because I'm going to email and text people the coupons, and that's how they're going to get the coupon. Then I'm just going to click next. And now we are going to wait for our form to pop up so we can actually edit the form and make it all pretty. Okay, you can see we have different images. You can choose which image you like, or if you don't want to have an image, you don't have to have one either. I like the way it looks with the left side image, so I'm going to choose that one. Then I'm going to click edit form. So now I can make it all pretty and make it match my brand. The first thing I'm going to do is replace this image with an image of my own. So I've got this image, I replaced that, and now I'm going to edit the text. So you can choose whether or not you want to edit the text, but I would suggest doing so because you want to make sure that it matches your brand. I like to say something like, receive 10% off or receive 15% off. And then I just want to make sure that I edit the font to make it match my brand, maybe make it a little bigger, center it, just make it look pretty and make it match my brand. That's really the biggest thing here. So I would always suggest editing the text. And you can say what you want to say based upon, your target audience and like their language and how they speak and things like that. Just the whole point of this is making sure that you edit the text to make it match your brand and your tone, things like that. I do like to include, your first order when you sign up, just because it sounds good, it's easy, straight to the point. And then, just editing it again to make it look pretty. This is the email button. I would just leave all this stuff alone.
You want to make sure it's on all devices. But yeah, don't really edit anything there. And sign me up, I'm going to change the way this button is. I don't really like that verbiage, sign me up. I'm going to do get discount. And then I'm just going to change the font here as well. So do a couple of those things and just make it look pretty. Now I'm going to click on the no thanks. I actually want to make this like small. I don't really want people to see that first because I don't want them to click no thanks. I want them to sign up for my email and SMS. So I'm going to make this as small as I can, but still give people the option to hide it. Then I'm going to go to the SMS page. So this is, again, I'm going to replace this image. I want it to be my image that I already have. That's my brand. And then I'm also going to edit this text. So here again, I'm going to remove the thanks for signing up and just say, you're almost there. I like saying you're almost there because yes, it's another step, but it lets the person know like, hey, you're almost there. Like, don't stop there. Like, you're almost here. Just sign up for our text messages and then you're going to get the discount code, right? So I'm going to input your phone number so we can text you the discount code. We don't want you to miss it. And this kind of like, again, entices them to input their phone number, letting them know like, hey, we don't want you to miss it on the email. We're going to text it to you too. So just again, I'm going to make this a little smaller, make it match my brand. Here's the phone number information. I'm not going to mess with any of this. This all looks good. Just leave that there. That looks good. Make sure it's got my business name down there. Yep, we're all good to go there. Sign up for text. I'm going to change this button again. And I'm going to say sign up. And then I'm going to change the font to make it, again, match my brand. And here as well, I want to make sure that this no thanks option is a little smaller so it's not like bold and in their face. So just making it light and small. And then, yeah, so this page looks good. The text messaging looks good. Now the success page. So once they finish signing up, this is the page that they're going to land on. Again, I want to change this photo, so I'm just going to put the same image there. And then I want to change this verbiage to match my brand again. So instead of thanks for signing up, I'm going to do something like, thank you for joining our list. And then I'm just going to edit this again to be the font that matches my brand, making it a little prettier. You want it to stay cohesive too. Like, make sure all of your fonts are the same across every single sign up page. So that way it, doesn't look weird. And then here I'm going to say, please check your emails and text, or your email and text for your discount code. And I'm actually going to say for your unique discount code. So that way they know, hey, this is unique to you. Make sure you go check your email and your text messages. So that looks good. Okay, this teaser is what we were talking about earlier. I want it to be a medium because I don't want the teaser to be massive. And instead of saying sign up down here, I'm going to change it to get 15% off. So that way they see it in the corner as they shop. And if they, want to get that discount, it's down there. So that looks pretty good. I'm just going to change this font really quick and make sure it's on all devices. Okay, this looks good. So now the teaser is all set. Now we're going to click live and notice we have an alert. So we're going to click review one alert. And here, because our phone number is not verified, we need to schedule it. So just click schedule, and now it says you've scheduled your form. So our form will go live once our phone number has finished verifying. And if we go back to the main page where all our sign up forms are, you'll see down there it says scheduled. So it's scheduled to go live, and then it will publish when our SMS number has been verified.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you want to learn more about Shopify, different apps to use, email marketing, and just business things in general, then you know the drill. Please consider subscribing to my channel. And with that, I will see you in the next video.